We are currently watching a storm system up here in Michigan. We expect it to track south into Indiana. It's a small complex, and there is a possibility for a few spots to become severe. We do not expect it to be a long-lasting system. At most, the threats would be a few strong gusts, brief heavy downpours, and possibly some hail, but I don't believe anything too major will come from this system. We will keep A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for our area. The system we were discussing earlier seems to have developed into a line of severe storms. It is impacting southern Michigan. We are getting reports of ping-pong ball-sized hail and winds in excess of 73 miles per hour. We may be seeing a derecho, a strong, long-lasting, fast-moving line of destructive storms. This system over the past hour has had a history of explosive development. We will now provide constant severe weather coverage until a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for our area. What we believe to be a derecho event has crossed the northern Indiana border with winds above 90 miles per hour. Those in locations such as Fort Wayne, Angola, and Albion should probably take cover. This is a very dangerous situation. I cannot stress this enough, you need to take cover now. This storm has already caused a lot of damage and power outages. This storm has continued to intensify and grow, and it has continued to go in a straight southern direction. A derecho warning is in effect for our area. This is an update on this monstrous derecho event impacting the Great Lakes region. This derecho has gained intensity as it moves south, with winds now between 100 and 115 miles per hour and baseball-sized hail. This is a very dangerous storm. I recommend you take cover. 3 are already confirmed dead in Elkhart and LaGrange counties in Indiana. Try to get down to a basement or an interior room. This is a dangerous and potentially A derecho warning is in effect for our area. The derecho has left Michigan, but has grown in size and now extends to Ohio. All Michigan warnings have been allowed to expire, but Indiana's warning has been expanded into Ohio. Residents of Fort Wayne aren't getting hit by the worst of it quite yet, but you must take shelter. This is a deadly and destructive storm that has so far claimed 10 confirmed lives. Take shelter now. It is absolutely imperative. A derecho warning is in effect for our area. As you can see by pictures coming in from the Fort Wayne metropolitan area, a funnel cloud has been spotted dropping down from this storm. It is unknown whether it will touch down, but residents of Allen County must immediately take cover now in case the funnel does touch down. We will continue our commercial-free live coverage of this storm. A tornado warning is in effect for our area. We are getting reports of a weak tornado causing some minor damage in Fort Wayne and Bluffton. The derecho has begun to weaken slightly, but several counties are still threatened. We expect to see most of Indiana impacted, as well as Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, and Georgia before the derecho weaken into a normal storm complex. We will continue cover up. A derecho warning is in effect for our area. The derecho has continued to move south. Its winds are still very powerful, but hail size has decreased. There is no rotation anymore in the system, but conditions are still right for tornadic development. This is still a highly dangerous system. Pictures are pouring in of the rainbow that formed behind the derecho in Fort Wayne, and clear skies that occurred after the storm, as well as one showing the storm rolling in. However, it is not over for Indiana yet. It is still tearing through the southern half of the A derecho warning is in effect for our area. We are still watching this dangerous derecho as it begins its exit from Indiana, but we expect it to last throughout the night and exit derecho stage once it enters the Gulf of Mexico. It will still be a dangerous system until it weakens, and we will continue to track. A derecho warning is in effect for our area. The derecho is now moving into Kentucky, but we will keep a continuous live coverage through. A derecho warning is in effect for our area.